Hello everyone, my name is Ryoji. Today I'm excited to show you the Pika Pika Box 2025 from the Pokemon Center. Yay! I was lucky enough to get one and I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside. Alright, let's open it up. The Pika Pika Box has become super popular and now you have to apply for it through a lottery on the official website. The chances of winning are pretty low because of how popular it is, but I've been applying every year on the official website hoping to win. Each year, there is a special featured item in the box. This year, the special item is either a Pikachu pillow or a Palmy pillow, which are exclusive to this lucky box. Personally, I'm hoping for Pikachu pillow, but honestly, I'll be happy with either one. Oh, I got a Palmy one. In Japan, Lucky Box are sold at many stores every year around the end of the year and the beginning of the new year. The Pika Pika Box lottery is open for about a week, usually from late November to early December. The price can vary depending on the year, but this year it was 4,400 yen. By the way, which Pokemon is your favorite? For me, it's always been Gengar. I also love Umbreon and Snivy, but Gengar will always be my number one. I'm really looking forward to seeing the total value of all the items inside. Hopefully, the total value is much higher than the price of the box. It's such a great deal with a lot of merchandise in it. I can't wait to try again next year. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.